If you draw a face with a full, teeth-showing smile, if you give the eyes their normal resting look, your person will probably either look creepy or in pain. If that's what you're going for, then great. If not, then there's a simple solution. Just remember to draw smiling eyes, meaning that the eyes are at least a little bit squinted. Think about how when someone is wearing a mask, you can still tell when they're smiling. Typically, a crescent moon shape works well for the eyes. The shape of the mouth is really up to style, but these are the basic shapes I use most often. The first one's very simple, and the second one's a bit more complicated. I guess you could describe it as a half circle with a flat side instead curving up to form the upper lip. Also remember that in a normal smile, the bottom teeth show barely or not at all. You're also probably better off showing all the top teeth as one line with bumps indicating where the teeth are. The two front teeth can just make up one larger bump in the front together. Just pretend they're one big tooth. The eyebrows are what decides what type of natural smile you're drawing. Low, upturned, wrinkled eyebrows make it an emotional smile, and normal or slightly raised eyebrows turn it into a normal smile, like smiling for a picture.